Hi, this is Helge from HPR. Today we're going to look at our oil pan for the DCT transmission. This transmission is found in quite a few BMW M series cars, both E and F series, and are suitable for both OEM applications and custom applications. It's a billet one-piece design, CNC machined, so it's a lot stronger than the OE plastic pan. The pan is only 3 mm deeper than the stock pan, but it features an additional 40% oil capacity. It also has a O-ring seal, which is far superior to the OE solution with a gasket. The kit comes supplied also with a stainless steel exhaust shield that can be installed on either side of the pan, and the stainless steel hardware. It features an oil drain plug and also a plug for an additional oil temp sensor that you can install here if required. When you install this pan, you need to transfer the magnet from the OE pan and pop that over here. It's a small donut style magnet, and then you install it with the bolt and washer supplied with the kit. Torque specifications, as with all our products, are laser engraved to the oil pan.